How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm a chicken.
Oh, you're a chicken. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
What's your mother's name?
My mom is Angela Shah.
Oh, your mommy's name is Angela Shan. What a good name. Can you tell me what does she does? What your mother does?
My mom is my mom is a teacher.
Oh, wow. What about your father? What is the name of your father?
My father's my father's name is a teacher.
What's the name? What his name? What's your father's name?
My father's name Tommy.
Oh, and then he's also a teacher, right? Okay. Can you tell me about your favorite color?
Blue and green.
Oh, that's blue and green, berry boy. Can you tell me what letter is it?
G.
Oh, J. Can you tell me a thing start with letter J?
Jack.
Chat. Oh, that's chat. Okay, Barry.
Jacket.
Jacket. Also, start with
Shoes.
letter. Shoes? Juice. Is that right? Juice. Very good. It's all start with letter J. What about this one? What letter is it?
Violin.
What letter? V. 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 That's the sound of the letter V. Okay.
Violin.